Okay, bhai. Recording has been started. At the end of the class, we'll discuss more about this diagnostic test. So, bhai, first of all, let me revise you the stuff. In sets and Venn diagram, we have discussed three things. Okay, first of all, we have to discuss the sets operation stuff. Then we have to discuss this Venn diagram stuff. Then we have to discuss word problems. So what we have discussed up till now, we have discussed sets operation in detail. We have discussed Venn diagram, but not in detail. There is a variety of Venn diagrams that we are going to discuss onwards. So first of all, let's move towards this word problem stuff ताकि आपको somehow उसकी clarity हो because that's not a detailed one. And after this, I will give you an assignment questions of sets and Venn diagram from past papers, so that meanwhile you will start solving that questions and we'll discuss this Venn diagram part in detail. So let's move towards this word problem stuff. अच्छा भाई word problem में होता क्या है? Word problem में होता क्या है? In word problem you have a detailed story, and in that detailed story, that detailed condition, you are supposed to find with the help of sets you are supposed to find the unknown thing. अब भाई होता क्या है? Let me first write a question, okay, on my own, then discuss कर लेते हैं. For say the condition is somewhat like this. In a class, how many is total strength of your class? In a class there are 30 students. Let's say 30 students. In game unit, in game unit, 20 of them like to play cricket, and 15 of them like to play volleyball, and let's say and 5 students are neither interested in any of the game. भाई उनको किसी भी गेम में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, neither of the game. Then find, एग्जामिनेशन से कहता है by drawing an appropriate Venn diagram, or find the number of students who are playing both the games. Both the games. Very simple. Okay, bhai. Let's discuss this question in detail. Okay, bhai. First of all, I ask you to just read the following condition or build through the following conditions so that we'll proceed. As per the given condition, it's clearly written that in a class there are like 30 students. It means how many total students do you have? In a class, you are having total 30 students. In a game unit, 20 of them like to play cricket. Okay, means भाई हमारे पास cricket वाले कितने students and there are 20 students who are interested to play cricket, and 15 of them like to play volleyball. So it means 15 are interested to play a volleyball. So it means 5 students, 15 students, 30 students, 20 students. These are all the quantities that are being given to us. So let me write cricket के लिए we are having 20, volleyball के लिए we are having 15. Sir, how is it possible that the number of students who are the total number of students will be greater than these two? Obviously, there will be number of students who are playing both the games, and there are students who are neither interested in any of the game, or 5 students as per the given condition. there are 5 students who are not interested in any of the game. So what examiner is saying? By drawing an appropriate word diagram, find a number of students who are playing both the games. First of all, let's talk about the Venn diagram. कि How are you going to draw the Venn diagram for the following situation? इन situations के लिए आप Venn diagrams कैसे draw करते हैं? पहले उसकी बात कर लेते हैं. Like this is your rectangle. Rectangle किसको show कर रहा होता है? Anyone? Universal set or what? This rectangle refers to what? Universal set?
Universal set.
Universal set. So it means this refers to your universal set, and universal set means all the 30 students. These 30 students must lie in this rectangle. Yes or no? ऐसा ही है कुछ? अच्छा, if the first set that I'm taking is of cricket and the second set that I'm taking for volleyball, so मुझे बता सकते हो how many students who are playing cricket? This complete circle. इसमें कितने students होने चाहिए?
20.
Anyone? अच्छा 20. And what about volleyball? How many students will be there?
15.
15. अच्छा मुझे एक बात ये बताइए कि what about this particular portion? If I talk about this particular portion of the set, so this will be considered as the number of students who are playing only cricket only or what? ऐसे ही होगा ना? These are the that much number of students who are playing only cricket. Yes or no? Are you aware about number of students who are playing only cricket?
Yes.
अच्छा, how many students are there? We are not aware. We are aware about number of students who are playing cricket and they are 20. So 20 lies in this portion as well as this portion. There are two portions na, in which these 20 students lie. Portion number one, portion number two. So these are those two portions in which these 20 students lie. But we are not aware about where how many number of students will be there who are playing only cricket. मैं only cricket की बात कर रहा हूँ. This is the portion for only cricket, and likewise this is the portion for only volleyball. This particular portion, this is for only volleyball. If we aware about number of students who are playing both the games, और अगर हम उनको minus कर दें, सुनो, let's say एक example लेते हैं, not the actual one. Let's consider example. Or say the number of students who are playing both the game are 10 students. So मुझे बता सकते हैं only cricket कितने होंगे? How many will be there only cricket students? Anyone?
10.
अच्छा, ये आप लोगों ने कैसे
10.
कैलकुलेट? 20 minus 10 कर लिया, सिंपल सी बात. Yes or no? अच्छा, how many will be only volleyball?
5. 5.
बड़ी सिंपल सी बात है. 15 में से 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया. So likewise, since you are not aware about how many students are there who are playing both the games, this is the example quantity that we had taken. हमें यही तो चाहिए. Find the number of students who are playing. Find the number of students who are playing both the games. So let's assume, since we are not aware about the quantities, so let's assume let x be the number of students who are playing both the games. तो मुझे बता सकते हो, if I am considered the following quantity as x, so how many students will be there who are playing cricket? कितने होंगे भाई? Can I consider them 20 minus x? Yes or no? Since we are not aware, तो भाई 20 minus x कर लेंगे ना, जिससे आप लोग पहले सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे थे. Yes or no? Yes or no? Agree?
Yes.
अच्छा, what about
Yes.
only volleyball? So can we consider them 15 minus x, because we have considered x be the number of students who are playing both the games. Agree? So this is 20. By the help of 20, we have labeled this region. By the help of 15, we have labeled this particular region. Where I'm going to label this 5, where I'm going to place this 5, ये 5 कहाँ place होंगे? These are neither interested in any of the game. कहाँ रख दूँ इनको?
Out of the circles.
Out of the circles, right
Out
here.
of the
Yes or no?
circles.
Yes or no? Right here. Because this is the region in which these 30 students lie, because इसी particular is complete region में 30 students lie, out of which 5 students who are not interested in any of the game will be placed outside of cricket and volleyball. मुझे बता सकते हो व्हाट विल बी द सम ऑफ ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वांटिटीज, व्हाट विल बी द सम ऑफ ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, कितना होगा भाई? Equivalent to total? Yes or no? Equivalent to total, that is 30. So can, for solving the following condition, can we solve it like this? कि भाई total number of students is equivalent to 30, and this 30 is going to equate with the sum of all of the following things. What is all of the following things? 20 minus x added with x added with 15 minus x added with 5. Yes or no? This thing plus this thing plus this thing plus this thing. Whatever number of students present right inside this circles these sets. Yes or no? ऐसे ही होगा. Agree? So can we solve the following condition? इसको प्लस माइनस करवा सकते हो भाई. नेगेटिव x and positive x going to cancel each other. Negative x, positive x going to cancel each other. 20 plus 15 plus 5 comes out to be what? 40. Agree? 40 हो जाएगा ना? And this 40 is going to shift on to onto right hand side, becomes negative 40 is equivalent to negative x. Negative x comes out to be negative 10. Negative and negative obviously cancels each other. So finally the value of x comes out to be 10. What does this mean? This means the total number of students who are interested to play both the games are finally comes out to be 10. ऐसे ही है ना? मुझे एग्जामिनर कह रहा था कि फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्लेइंग बोथ द गेम्स. We are interested to find the number of students who are playing both the games. So the number of students who are playing both the games will be considered as x. So the value of x comes out to be 10. Yes or no? Agree? Clear है भाई यहाँ पे सबको? पक्का पक्का? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha, what if examiner asks you to find the number of students who are only interested in playing volleyball? Only interested in volleyball. उनके लिए क्या
5.
करेंगे भाई? भाई 5. So first of all, it means whatever the condition examiner gives you, you first have to find this particular value of x. And for x, you have to solve this particular solution. And after this, you got the value of x. और obviously x के आने के बाद आप क्या करोगे? जो भी condition हो वो only cricket की बात करे, only volleyball की बात करे, you can solve for that particular condition. So it means if we are talking like about only volleyball, that will be 15 minus x, and 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 on simplification comes out to be 5. So there will be 5 students who are interested in only volleyball. 5 students. Clear हो गया भाई सबको? पक्का पक्का? Agree? Agree? पक्का पक्का clear है? Okay भाई. Moving towards past paper question. Moving towards few of the past paper question. अच्छा, right now I have just placed the two past paper questions here. एक मैं solve करूंगा, एक आप लोग solve करोगे. Okay. So let's discuss this question first. What the condition that is given to you? There are 27 children in a class. Out of this, 19 own a bicycle, 15 own a scooter, and 3 own neither a bicycle nor a scooter. Using a Venn diagram or otherwise, find the number of children who own a bicycle, not a scooter. Who owns a bicycle, not a scooter. What does this sentence mean? Owns a bicycle, not a scooter. Hmm? It means they are asking you about only bicycle region, yes or no? Or only scooter region, or what?
Only bicycle region.
Only bicycle. भाई यही है ना वर्ड का मीनिंग. Who owns a bicycle not a scooter. वो भाई इस बात को आसान वर्डिंग में कह देता. Find the number of student who owns only bicycle. लेकिन ये तो आसान हो जाता ना. सो भाई एग्जामिनर क्या करता है? बस ऐसे ही घुमा फिरा के सिंपल सी बात कर रहा होता है. सो भाई ओनली बाईसाइकिल examiner is interested. So let's draw the first Venn diagram for the following conditions so that we can solve it onwards. तो फर्स्ट अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए वेन डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. सो दिस is how our Venn diagram looks like. Since there is some part common between the sets, this is our set number one. This is our set number two. अच्छा मुझे बता दो कि फर्स्ट इस डाटा को बना लेते हैं कि हाउ मेनी टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दैट आर गिवन टू अस. टोटल
27.
27.
27.
The total is 27. Excellent. अच्छा, number of students who own a bicycle, number of students who own the scooter, number of students who doesn't have any of the following thing. भाई बाईसाइकिल वाले बता दो टोटल कितने लिखो. 19.
19.
Scooter ones are 15. 3 own nothing. Agree? Now going to label the following condition in a set. So this first set is for bicycle, second one is for scooter. पहला काम क्या करते हैं, let x be the number of student who are having both the stuff. Yes or no? ऐसे ही करते हैं ना. Let x be ऐसे ही करते हैं ना. पहले आप लेबलिंग कर देते हैं कि भाई let's x be number of students having having both. ओके. सो ऐसा आप कह देते हैं एक्स. सो मुझे बता सकते हो कि व्हाट दिस रीजन विल बी लेबल एस. इसको कैसे लेबल कर रहे होगे. दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन, लाइक इफ दिस इज एक्स, दिस रीजन विल बी. कम ऑन. राइट, टोटल 19 स्टूडेंट ओन्स बाइसाइकिल ना. if this region is x, so obviously left over region will be 19 minus x. Yes or no? if this region is x, so what this region will be. इसको क्या लेबल करोगे.
15 minus x.
15 माइनस एक्स. यस और नो. बिकॉज बड़ी सिंपल सी बात है ना कि भाई अगर आप इस कंप्लीट का सम अप भी कर लो, x प्लस 15 माइनस एक्स, so x and x going to cancel each other. So obviously overall this region is having 15 particular students. Where I'm going to place this three, those who neither have any of the stuff outside the circles. Yes or no? Agree? Now what we are going to find the value of x first. फिर बात करेंगे ना क्या हमें और find out करना है. So भाई total, since the total that is given to us was 27, we are going to find the sum of all the things. How? 19 minus x plus x plus 15 minus x plus 3 is equivalent to 27. So bhai, anyone find the value of x? Let's solve for the x. मुझे बता दो भाई what the value of x comes out to be. After simplification, the value of x comes out to be
10.
10. Finally, the value of x comes out to be 10. So it means 10 students are those students who are interested in who नहीं, who is having both of this item. Yes or no? ये तो वो ही स्टूडेंट्स हो गए ना who is having bicycle as well as scooter means x region. In this question 10 is not the answer. 10 हमारा फाइनल आंसर थोड़ी है. एग्जामिनर ने पूछा कि find the number of students who own a bicycle not a scooter. To this examiner mean they are talking about only bicycle. तो भाई हमें तो ये बताना ना. तो फाइनली मैं आंसर क्या लिखूंगा, therefore only bicycle students will be 19 minus 10. Yes or no? This particular region. Only bicycle students will be this particular region. जिसको मैं अभी शेड कर रहा हूँ. This region is only bicycle region. So obviously you are going to find the value of this particular region. और इसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करने के लिए आप लोग कर देंगे subtract. So 19 minus x comes out to be 19 minus 10 comes out to be 9. So only bicycle will be 9 students. Any problem, any confusion, anything that needs to be repeated. Clear हो गया बेटा पक्का पक्का? Agree? Agree? देख लेंगे नजर.
Yes.
Okay भाई. Now your turn. Now your turn. Question is right in front of you. Now you are going to solve for the following condition. Giving you exactly 4 minutes are fine. Take 3 to 4 minutes, solve for the following condition. Your time starts now.
Sir, the answer is 22.
Okay, bhai, you are going very fast. Okay, we will discuss. Giving last 2 minutes. अच्छा ओनली हॉकी का आंसर बता रही हो आप, है ना?
Sir, answer 25 है. 24 है, 22 नहीं. 24.
देख लो, मैं तो कहता हूँ. What your answer comes out to be?
$24.
Okay, and let me write. Hey, what's your name? Beta, what's your name?
Zainab.
Okay, but Zainab says 24. Anyone else? We are having 1 minute left. Okay. Zainab says 24. कोई और कहता है भाई, कुछ और आ रहे थे.
Sir, my answer comes 22.
Okay, भाई, what's your name?
Nargis.
Mercy.
Nargis.
अच्छा, नरगिस. ओके भाई, नरगिस says 22. कोई और है जो कुछ और बताते?
Mine is also coming 22.
What's your name?
Kisa.
Sorry?
Kisa Fatma.
अच्छा, किस्साफात. किस sorry if I wrote a wrong spelling. Okay, भाई.
Sir, आप मेरा 24 की जगह 20 कर दें. 20.
2020. Zainab, it's you ना?
जी.
Okay, भाई. Zainab again change its verdict. She's saying 20. Okay, भाई. Let's start. Tension ये बेटा discuss कर लेते हैं. Okay. We all are running here. So, as per the given condition, let's start. According to given condition, a group of 60 children attended an afternoon club, out of which 35 children plays football, 29 plays hockey, 3 plays neither. अब भाई डायरेक्ट वेन डायग्राम बनाते हैं. अब तो हम बड़े हो गए ना, हमने कंडीशंस भी डायरेक्ट समझना सीख ली. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो वेन डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. दिस इज अवर वेन डायग्राम फॉर द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन. ओके, हियर इज सर्किल नंबर 2. तो भाई अब इसको लेबल भी कर लेते हैं. हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लेबल द फॉलोइंग कंडीशन. Total students are 63 plus neither of the game. X be the number of students who are playing both the games. This is for football, this is for hockey. So hockey will be remaining students who are playing hockey will be 29 minus X. Acha, and this will be 35 minus X. Yes or no? Have all of you drawn the Venn diagram like this? Agree?
Yes.
Okay. What we are supposed to find for the following condition, we are supposed to find the number of children who plays only hockey. इसमें एग्जामिनर ने सिंपल आसान तरीके से बताया, उसने कोई घुमाया फिराया नहीं, बस सिंपल बात. ओनली हॉकी की बात कर लो. सो भाई ओनली हॉकी विल बी दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट लाइक ओनली हॉकी रीजन, सो ओनली हॉकी रीजन विल बी this one that I'm shading right here. This will be only hockey region. So if the following region is for only hockey, how are we going to find for the following condition? भाई इस condition को find out करने के लिए first of all let's calculate the sum of the following four conditions. आप x की value calculate कर लेंगे. तो भाई as per the given condition total will be 35 minus x added with x added with 29 minus x added with 3 is equal to what? Total. And total in the following condition will be 60 children. 60 children, is na? 60 children were there in total. So this is equivalent to 60. And after simplification, the value of x comes out to be what? After simplification, the value of x comes out to be 7. Yes or no? ऐसा ही बेटा? Agree? Agree.
Yes, sir.
What you are going to find? You are going to find 29 minus x. That are the children who are playing only hockey. So 29 minus x will be only hockey region. So भाई only hockey क्या आ गया आपके पास? 29 minus x will be 29 minus 7 will be 22. Yes or no? So this is our final answer for the following situation. Okay भाई, क्लियर हो गया सबको? पक्का पक्का. एक्सलेंट किस्वा, एक्सलेंट नरगिस, एक्सलेंट जैनब, वेरी राइट. पता नहीं तुम बार बार सर्च क्यों कर रही थी. Okay भाई, no problem. Hopefully all of you are clear about the following situation. Clear है बेटा? पक्का पक्का बस सबको. So this is all about the word problem condition. So we have discussed in detail about set operation. We have discussed about this word problem condition. So by the very next class, we are going to discuss this Venn diagram portion in detail. के how are we going to draw Venn diagram directly for any of the given situation? Let me just stop the recording and discuss few things about your diagnostic test.